Impulsive spending and instant gratification. Today's topic is about a very common issue in modern life, one that often goes unnoticed. This is impulsive spending and instant gratification. You see something, you like it, and you buy it without thinking. In that moment, it feels good. But what happens next? If you've ever asked yourself, why did I even buy this? Then this video is for you. The core of the problem. Impulsive spending is an unplanned purchase. It's not driven by logic, it's driven by emotion. And often, the decision happens in just a few seconds. Instant gratification, on the other hand, is the desire to feel happy right now. But that feeling doesn't last long. How the brain works. Our brain loves quick rewards. When you buy something, your brain releases dopamine. This creates a feeling of pleasure. But the problem is, your brain prefers immediate rewards over long-term benefits. The modern world effect. Today, impulsive spending has become easier than ever. Online stores, advertisements, discounts. Only today. Limited offer. Last chance. All of these push you to make quick decisions. Small expenses, big problem. Each impulsive purchase feels small, but they add up. By the end of the month, you realize you've spent a significant amount. And the worst part? You don't even know where the money went. The feeling of regret. After impulsive spending, regret often follows. You ask yourself, did I really need this? But the money is already gone. And this creates stress and dissatisfaction. Taking back control. Here's the good news. This habit can be changed. The first step, pause. Before buying something, give yourself time. For example, wait 24 hours. Often, you'll realize you didn't really need it. Shifting your mindset. Replace instant gratification with long-term thinking. Ask yourself, will this purchase benefit me tomorrow, or is it just a temporary emotion? These questions help you make conscious decisions. Positive results. If you reduce impulsive spending, you save more money, you gain financial control, your stress decreases, and most importantly, you start living more consciously. Conclusion. Impulsive spending may seem like a small habit, but it leads to big financial problems. Start today. Think before every purchase. And if you want to improve your financial life, make conscious decisions. Follow us and let's build a better financial future together.